Today we're going to discuss 10 phrasal verbs for business. Let's get into it. Number 1, step up. Step up refers to moving up or leveling up in a business environment, possibly a promotion in the company or new responsibilities you got to take on. So an example of this would be, this employee has really stepped up on this project. Number 2, step down. In business, especially at the highest levels, to step down basically indicates to resign or leave one's position. To step down is to basically lower your position in the hierarchy, I guess you could say. So an example of this would be, after a lot of mistakes from the CEO, he's opted to step down from his role as CEO. Number 3, measure up. A term often used in business to compare with something. So like if project A measures up to project B kind of thing, how does this measure up to our previous work? How does that measure up to our later work that we're going to do? So number 4, step aside. If you want someone out of your way, most people say step aside. Step aside simply refers to moving someone or yourself from a situation temporarily without necessarily implying a shift up or shift down in the ranks. An example of this is, he had to step aside this week due to a severe injury he had. Number 5, alright, swoop in. Swoop in is usually someone who suddenly joins an organization or a team of people, or joins a project and possibly makes a lot of modifications. So he swoops in and changes the whole thing. So an example of this would be, the executive manager swooped in and changed around the entire project. Number 6, we've got a shakeup. Shakeup refers to making numerous changes all at once, sometimes altering the environment or the way a firm feels. An example of this is, she really shook up the entire store with her new ideas. Number 7, we got come online. When a new project goes online, it indicates that it's now accessible. So if I got a blog and I'm doing it with my partner, I'll say, by next week we gotta have this come online, which basically means next week we're gonna have this site up and running and everyone can see it. So again, an example of this, our new blog is going to come online in the end of the month. Number 8, expand into. Expanding is pretty much like expanding the business, making it larger by adding more locations. So if you're franchising, for example, I don't know, McDonald's, they have one place, but then they expand it into other regions, therefore making it larger. So an example of this is, we'd like to expand into some other markets during the coming months. Number 9 is to bring about. To bring about anything means to force something to take place. Therefore, to bring about is something to make something happen or to cause something. Anything, really. An example of this is, don't you think we should try to bring some change into the company? And number 10, we got take on. The phrase take on is to start something, is to begin, to perform something new. Asked the other week to get a job in a studio, and I'll be talking about it. I'll be like, it's time to take on this challenge. Those were the 10 business phrasal verbs. If you like this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment sections down below. Comment if you like, if you got any questions about it. And you can find some more ways to learn English or to improve your English in the description down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.